There are some very simple steps that you can take to help minimize the chance of a tick attaching to you and your risk of Lyme disease. The first is if you're out hiking, stay on the trails. Ticks are more likely to attach to you if you're in high grasses or off the beaten path, because that's where they like to hide. The second, when you're outside, make sure you're wearing appropriate clothing. Ticks are more likely in the hot summer months when everyone's outside. You may want to wear shorts and a tank top, but if you're gonna be in any sort of tall grass or hiking situation, you wanna wear long pants, not jeans with holes in them like my friend here. It's a hike, not a fashion show. Preferably you wanna wear tall socks that you pull up over the cuffs of your pants, and full intact hiking shoes or sneakers without any holes or open areas where bugs could get into. Long sleeve shirt, they make really lightweight UV protectant long sleeve shirts. Also a hat is a really good way because ticks can drop down on you from the trees above. So that's good to keep in mind. Full protective coverage is a great idea. The next step, pretty straightforward, it's insect repellent. Now, a lot of people may not want to spray DEET on their body, and that's fine. But you can use a DEET insect repellent on your clothing and your gear. That's gonna help repel ticks without attaching anything to the inside of your clothing that's gonna absorb into your skin. It's also a good idea if you have pets along that you get a pet-safe insect repellent and spray them too, because pets very easily bring ticks into your home. Once you come home, you wanna do a tick check. And the easiest way to do this is to take a shower. Take all of your clothes off, have a partner or yourself as best you can, check anywhere for ticks. Ticks like to hide in warm, moist spaces. So think the groin area, your armpits, behind and inside your ears, areas you may not necessarily think. The other thing to know is that ticks secrete an antihistamine and a numbing agent when they bite you. So you may not even know they're there. So just sort of feeling for something on your body is not gonna work. They're sneaky and they're designed to hide. So you need to really carefully check and then get in the shower, really wash your hair, scrub your scalp. They can hide in your hair very easily. That'll help ensure that you get rid of any ticks that are loose on your body. And if you find ticks on your clothes or after you shower, you can dispose of them. It's not much to worry about. It's only if they've attached to your skin that you need to be really concerned about the risk of Lyme disease. Loose ticks on your clothes typically aren't anything to worry about. Once you get home, you wanna take anything you were wearing, blankets, hiking gear, anything that's washable, and wash it. But you wanna use high heat and hot water, and it needs to wash for at least 10 minutes. That's gonna ensure that you've killed any ticks hanging about on your clothing. A lot of people only think of ticks when they're out hiking in the summer, but ticks can be anywhere. An outdoor concert, in the grass, or even in the winter. So it's important to check anytime you're outside. They're much more common during the temperate months, but ticks can happen anytime, anywhere. So these prevention tips are something you should always look to help prevent Lyme disease.